How to add notifications logo on Ecwid, easy and quick. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to add notifications logo on Ecwid, easy and quick. First open your browser and then once you're here click settings and then scroll down until you find notifications, and here we'll find the logo. Now click upload logo and that's it. Now select any logo you want here, like this one. And that's it. Now just go back, it will be saved. I hope that can help you, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.